Hello guys, Big Toasters Gaming here. Today I'm here with another video, and today joining me here is Candy Up AJ, and she is my friend from school. So yeah, so today I want to tell you guys about my look. I'm doing this sort of really short mail time. So yeah, okay. So this is from Bird446. Yeah, OMG, yay, a rare. Keep. Okay, this is from Rain3. Golden Dragon Mask. Oh yeah, and I also got one from someone, I believe. Yeah, Pika Girl 360. She gave me these rare mech angel wings. And also guys, I got a rare spike collar. Yay, and it's purple. So yeah. Candy Rock AJ, have you got anything to say about the collar?
Yeah, it's great.
Why? Why did you do that voice? Never mind. So yeah, bye guys, and remember, let's stay creative. Bye!